my friends. Today's video is a little special to me because I'm unboxing something that was made with intention, care, and real artistry. This piece was created for me by Mental Racoon Glass. Let me repeat that name. Mental Racoon Glass. And the artist behind this artwork, his name is Justin. Someone whose work I truly admire and respect. I love supporting artists who create with their hands, their heart, and their imagination. And Justin does exactly that. He creates the most beautiful, unique glass pieces, pendants, marbles, and even the most charming little penguins you've ever seen. Every piece feels so thoughtful, playful, and alive. I've really been looking forward to opening this little package here, especially because this is a Valentine's Day piece, pendant made especially for moi. So let's open the box. Now I have my tools here. So not sure how to do this, but we're gonna get to it. I think we're better off using the scissors. I have to be very careful because this is glass. And see how well he packaged it? And he wrote glass over here so the mailman knows that it's glass. So let's see. Okay, it came priority mail. And I'm gonna open it very gingerly. Okay, there we go. Oh, wow. I'm gonna move the camera down just a little bit. Okay, I think that'll do it. That should be good. And so this is taped very carefully. Wow. Okay. It's in there. Oh, wow. There's a little thank you note. And it's wrapped so carefully. You can tell that Justin treasures his work. So, have to find the opening. Okay. We're going to use the scissors to get to it here. Okay. Wow. Oh, I just love it. And there's some gold in here as well. I want you all to see this. See how beautiful it is. Look at that. And I had some beads. I'm gonna try to put some beads on here or a necklace. Let me find a necklace that I can put on here and we'll get a full view of what it looks like. Hold on 1 second. There it is. Okay. So here's what I did. I took my necklace off. So there it is. See? And now I'm gonna put it on me. Okay, let's do this. Ah, there we go. Look at that. There is my heart pendant. Can everyone see my heart pendant? Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. Thank you, Justin. You made a masterpiece. Now let me describe my new pendant. The color, the shape, the way the light moves through the glass to reflect the gold that's in here. It's so delicate yet strong. There's so much intention in this piece. It's just absolutely amazing. You can tell when something is made by someone who truly understands their craft. This isn't just glass, my friends. It's emotion, skill, and imagination all brought together with love. Thank you, Justin. I truly, truly appreciate this piece, and I'm going to treasure it for a very, very long time. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Can you see how the gold is reflected in there? It's just stunning. Absolutely beautiful. What's there to not like? Justin, I am so delighted with this heart pendant. I'll be watching to see what else you're making, and I'll be ordering some more. Justin, your talent is remarkable. The care you put into your work shows in every detail, my friend. You just don't make objects. You create pieces that people connect with. That's a gift, and not everyone has it, but you do. I want you to know how much I appreciate you. It's not just a beautiful pendant, but your creativity, your dedication, and the joy your work brings to others, including myself. It means so much to receive something that's handmade, something created with thought and heart. I will treasure this forever. This feels like the perfect Valentine's reminder of creativity, of connection, and of supporting people who pour their love into what they do. Everyone out there, listen up. If you love handmade art and truly unique pieces, I highly, highly recommend checking out Mental Racoon Glass and Justin's work. Justin, thank you again. Your art is beautiful, and I'm so grateful for this piece. Take another look. Take another look, everyone. I think if I turn this the right way, you can see the gold in there. And it's just outstanding. Look at that. Look, I'll come closer so you get a better look. To everyone out there watching, thank you for sharing this special moment with me. I truly appreciate all of you. Have a blessed day. Bye.